Hey guys, today we're doing a quick 2025 review of Gumroad. Is it still a good platform for creators and sellers? Let's find out fast. Gumroad stays strong because it's super easy to start with. You don't need a website, just sign up, upload your digital product or course, set a price, and share your link. That simplicity makes it great for creators who want to start selling quickly without setup headaches. On top of that, Gumroad handles payments, delivery, taxes, VAT, all built in. No need for plugins or complex checkout setups. For small creators or first-time sellers, that convenience is huge. But there are trade-offs. Gumroad charges transaction fees and you don't get full control over branding or checkout customization. Everything looks a bit generic. If you ever scale up and want full design control or a custom storefront, Gumroad might limit you. Also, because Gumroad hosts payments and delivery, you rely on their uptime and policies. If they change fees or rules, you're a bit locked in. So, is Gumroad still good? Yes. If you want a no-fuss way to sell digital stuff fast and keep things simple, but if you're building a serious brand or want full creative control, you might eventually outgrow it. Alright guys, that's it for Gumroad in 2025. If this helped you decide, hit like and subscribe for more honest creator tool reviews.